Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is ODoris Healthy Tasty Meals. So thank you so much for clicking on this thumbnail. Don't forget to subscribe, and to my old subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to give this video a like. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious snail sauce, or you can call it pepper snail, though there's not much pepper in this one, but I'm using it as a sauce to pair with my rice and beans. So let's get started. First of all, you have to kind of break your snail, wash properly, and cook to softness. I already have a video where I showed you how to properly wash snails. Okay, I will leave it in the description box. So to cook the snail, you just need to season it to your taste. I'm using onions, some tomatoes, salt to taste, because I still want it to have that natural taste. After cooking for 15 minutes, is completely cooked. Though depend on the size of the snail. In that video I made for the explanation to that, you can check it out. Okay, so for the sauce, I am using olive oil, and I encourage you to always do that if you want to get a healthy meal, an oil that will not have any negative impact in your system. I encourage you to get olive oil. Yes, so anytime I'm frying with olive oil, I don't have any problem. I don't panic at all. But vegetable oil and other so just make your research, guys. Though don't be afraid, I'm here to cover that up for you. So I'll start with my onions. I like it to, in this pepper sauce, I want it to infuse its flavor in the oil, and I also want to garnish it with thyme, curry, garlic powder, and ginger powder. Yes, so the sauce, you just need to make it as tasty as you can. Okay, because that is what will actually add more taste to the snail. The curry, don't add curry to the snail because it might change its original taste. So rather add it to the sauce, so that even when you're eating the snail, you still be getting the natural taste. So I added the pepper, followed by 2 tablespoons of crayfish and a little water to loosen it up. I added more than that quantity because I was just adding it little by little to get the consistency I want. So when you get the consistency you want, that is fine. I'm actually using this as a sauce for my rice and beans, but some persons might just use it as just maybe to snack the snail. So when it's cooked to my desired state, I added the snail, and this time around mix it properly and let it simmer for at most 5 minutes. Yes, you can add little water to it, but just let it simmer so that the snail can absorb the sauce very well. Okay, so just don't forget to give this video a like if you like this video. Yes, but if you don't like it, maybe someday we are going to bring to you what you will like. And also let me know in the comment section how you like to enjoy your pepper snail. So after that 5 minutes, the pepper snail is ready, and I already have this rice and beans waiting for me. If you need a video for how to make a proper rice and beans, you can let me know in the comment section, and I will bring it right to you. We are done. This is my garnished pepper snail, and I'm still adding some to the rice, and this is the final look, guys. This looks so beautiful, and I guarantee you this is so delicious. I'm going to leave all the ingredients I use in the description box so that you take a look at them, and you might want to follow this recipe if you want, or recreate your own. So until I come your way again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't also forget to share me out in your community. Remember to always think of healthy meals whenever you eat, and don't just eat anything that comes your way. Thank you so much. I'll come your way again. Bye.